Hi friends, my name is Matt Hartman. I'm an assistant director in recreational sports in the Office of Student Life. I know you're feeling a little cooped up. We have this beautiful day, so I thought I'd give you a ride of the Olentangy Trail. You see I have the RPAC here behind me, just to give you a frame of reference, but we're gonna hop on the bike here and ride up to the Park of Roses. I'll share some safety tips and a little bit of history along the way. So get that helmet on and have a great ride.
Okay, we need to talk about merging and right-of-way. Users on the trail have the right-of-way over those merging. If you're merging, slow down and yield to the oncoming traffic. You can see here I see this rider coming near me, and I'm slowing down and giving him the right-of-way, following the yield sign. When you want to pass someone, keep in mind that you should signal and give some sort of auditory note, like a bell or a verbal passing. Always yield to oncoming traffic and maintain a safe distance. There are several spots on the Olentangy Trail where blind turns will sneak up on you. These are true dangers. This one at Lane Avenue in particular is pretty dangerous, since users can be coming onto the trail from the steps to your right. You'll notice that the cement is also wet here from recent rains, which also makes it very slippery and dangerous. You may notice a trail off to the left here going down towards the river. That's one of the access points for the Olentangy Water Trail, a way to recreate on the water by canoe or kayak. There's access here from Patterson Avenue. Just a general note, this area north of campus can be very crowded. Mind your speed, as additional users make it quite dangerous if you're going fast. If you end up accessing the river by boat, be mindful of low head dams, the feature to the right just upstream here. They are referred to as drowning machines because the downstream whitewater can create a keeper hydraulic that can hold a person underwater. Low head dams are well marked on the river and easy to go around. Here's another example of a low head dam. We're looking at it from the upstream side now. For reference, the Olentangy Trail runs parallel to High Street, so here Weber Avenue dead ends into the trail. Great job! We made it to Como Park, about 2.8 miles from the RPAC since we started. This is a cool spot, and on this day I happened to hear someone playing the bagpipes. You'll notice that pretty soon the trail is going to essentially end and you'll be on Bicycle Boulevard, some side streets in the Clintonville area. Just ahead we'll be crossing North Broadway and then dropping back on the trail at Northmore Park. Okay, this North Broadway intersection is really dangerous. Make sure you take your time here. I've seen many cars blow through the light and I see people in a big hurry to get through here, so just be careful. Turn here to the left. Drop down into Northmore Park and continue on the Olentangy Trail. There is an access point to the Olentangy Water Trail here as well. Here's a quick piece of trivia. The Olentangy River should have been named Kinghong Shikomsapong, which means Sharp Tool River. The Delaware people referred to it as such because of the shale rocks found on the banks, which can be used to sharpen tools. Olentangy in Delaware means River of Red Face Paint, and was the tribe's name for what we now know as Big Darby Creek. It seems a mix-up occurred dating back to 1833 when the state attempted to formally name Ohio rivers based on their original Native American names. This also explains the references to Whetstone in the area, specifically Whetstone Park, where the Park of Roses is located. At this fork, we'll bear to the right to access the park. Here at the Park of Roses, you'll find one of many fix-it stands, little stations where you can do minor repairs on your bike and pump up your air. Unfortunately, the pump is broken on this one. We made it! Just 4.25 miles from campus, the Park of Roses offers 13 acres of rose gardens that showcase 350 variety of roses, and it's all free to the public. Thanks for joining us on this ride, and we hope to see you out there.